everyone. Welcome back to Dreams of Music and Makeup, or welcome here if this is your first video with me. Glad to have you. Thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing if you are new around here. I post 2 beauty videos a week, usually on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I love taking your requests, so always keep those communications coming. I love hearing from you. Always leave your thoughts down there for me. I'd love to talk to you. If you like this eye look, you're in the right place. We're going to be doing this eye look together today. And I tend to gravitate towards these colors when I'm lacking inspiration, when I just want to do something safe or unintimidating for other people, but I want to do my eyeshadow. I tend to go for bronzier looks because they blend really beautifully. They tend to look a little bit more natural even if you got a lot of it on. I tend to go a little heavy with the eyeshadow because it's my favorite part of my makeup routine. So if you are like me and want something that's kind of a good fallback bronzy look, I don't know what I'm calling this yet, go ahead and stay tuned. If you are excited for this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you would like to see more tutorials, always leave your requests down below. I love taking them and making them into videos, so bring it on. I'm going to get you up to speed real quick with what I've done on this eye on this side. I have primed with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, so that's already on and ready for us. I'm going to pick up this Wet n Wild Fluffy Crease Brush, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette, as well as a couple of shades from Anastasia. We're going to be using these 3 shades from Anastasia. Oh, just dug my brush in that. Oops. I'm going to take this lightest shade from the ColourPop palette first and set the brow bone so nothing blends up too high. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this peachy transition shade for our crease and just start to build that. Now I'm going to move over to the Anastasia, and this is the shade Fawn. I'm going to start building that in our crease as well. That's what I did on the other side. I'm going to go into this shimmery shade here, which is Golden Copper, and I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and place that on the lid. I always get a little on my lower lash line because of my long nails and having to turn my hand a weird way. Just to ensure that there's no shimmer up in that crease, I'm not adding any product, just going back over this area. One more time. I'm going to pick up my Sigma E25 and dip into Sienna, which is this shade here. Start building that in our outer crease. Go back with the fluffy brush and this fawn color and just ensure that that's not disappeared altogether. This tiny little fluffy brush, this is a Morphe M507. I'm going to go into the darkest shade in the ColourPop Yes Please palette to just tuck in this outermost corner. I'm just picking up the brush we used for the last shade and blending the edges. Just for a little added blending perk, I'm gonna go into this peachy shade and go all along the edges so that it fades seamlessly into my skin color. Picking up a small brush, I'm gonna add a little bit of this gold just on the inner portion of where we put that shimmer to add a little more dimension. One One more time, I'm going to go through the crease just to make sure no shimmer went up there. I'm going to add a little bit of Physicians Formula dark brown liquid liner to this look and put some stuff on my face, and then I will catch up with you for the lower lash line. I have a Real Techniques smudge brush that I'm going to dip into Sienna, which is that kind of orangey shade we put in the outer crease. And I'm going to line the outer third of my lower lash line. I'm going to take Fawn, the crease shade that we use, on a shader brush and just blend that out. I will be back in just a minute with some mascara and setting spray on my face and show you the finished look. Alright dreamers, this is our finished eye look. I hope you enjoy this. This is a look that I tend to do for most days, honestly. I love this kind of color scheme, though I do use different products from time to time. I really enjoy this eye look, and I hope you do too. It's very flattering regardless of your eye color, and I find that these colors work all year round. Though it is spring, it is actually snowing outside my window. I like that this is kind of a warm look as well, so it kind of warms you up even when it's kind of cold outside. I didn't add any white mixer to my foundation today because I actually did want my skin to have a little bit more color. It does not technically match me, but I blended it down my neck and did bronzer and everything, so I should look fine. That is a trick if you are wanting to make your skin look a little bit more alive and your shade is a little too dark. You can just really bronze up everything beneath and kind of bring a little more life. Of course, if it doesn't match your body, it doesn't match your body. So I'm wearing long sleeves and pants and stuff, so it's covered. No one has to know that I'm lying. Anyway, on my lips, I'm wearing a little bit of Buxom in the shade Blushing Margarita. I believe this was limited edition, so if it's not available anymore, I do apologize. White Russian is very similar and has just slightly less peachy color to it. I hope you guys enjoy this eye look. I enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. That helps me out a ton. If there's something you'd like to see from me, I would love to give it to you, so just let me know. I love taking your requests. And I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening wherever you are. I hope you keep dreaming. And I'll see you in my next video.